ni Kuya!
Pinoy Transporter, best taxi driver. He's a
Hi guys, good afternoon. This is Pinoy Transporter. Here with me, our sisters would like to share with you guys their riding experience. Actually, tinamad lang silang maglakad, kaya sila sumakay sa akin. Okay? Now, they were amazed to find out who is their drivers. Okay, ladies, the floor is yours.
Hello po! Hi guys!
Pakilala kayo.
Hello po, I'm Aya.
I'm Shasha.
Opo, follow nyo po si Kuya Manolito sa Pinoy Transporter sa YouTube. Ang saya dito. Hindi nga po bagay mag-taxi driver, sabi ko kay Kuya, kasi ang tisoy-tisoy po niya. Grabe.
Well, thank you so much for your appreciations. Well, just to let you know, that's my advocacy to really upgrade the image of the transport industry. That's why even though it's just a short distance, I was able to you were able to motivate me to help you and give you my service, okay? So, I
Alam
hope...
ko nga sir, hindi nyo kami i-accept kasi yung tanong nyo kanina, saan kayo?
Well, sorry, I really don't... Hindi talaga ako
kasi nga, kasi nga po malapit lang, init po kasi tsaka madilim na. Para uulan, kaya buti sir, thank you at in-accept nyo yung ano.
Para
namin. Yung unang mga pinara namin nila.
Ayaw sa inyo?
Nagpasan lang po kami.
Cellphone na cellphone.
Ganon.
Opo.
Okay, you do some shout out to your friends. Okay. Total.
Hello po sa Yanko family.
Okay.
Hello po sa jowa ko. Hi, Gar.
Anong pangalan?
Hi!
Anong pangalan?
Si Gar. Hi, Gar.
Anong Gary?
Basta Gar lang po.
Gardo? Mahirap yan. Baka lahat sila Gar, ha?
Bahala na sila kung sino.
So, your sisters?
Yes.
Sinong mas matanda sa inyo?
Wala niyo po.
Wala niyo po sino. Sino ate?
Ayun, yung nasa likod.
Pareho po kami nasa likod eh.
Okay. Siya, siyempre. Tama ba?
Tama po. Tama.
What's your name, ate?
Shasha.
Siya, di ba? It's my pleasure to meet you guys, and I hope you can help me to promote not only my YouTube but also the advocacy that we should support still the taxi industry is still dying. Actually, kaya ako nagtanong
Yes,
kung saan. Ngayon talaga di mo muna talaga magtatanong ang mga taxi driver ngayon because we really have to calculate kasi may mga biyahe kaming lugi kami with the high cost of gasoline tapos
Yes,
hindi
sir.
nag-increase yung aming mga metro. Talagang may mga biyahe kaming talo. Kaya pasensya na kayo, but in spite of that, nagtatanong lang po. Wala naman hong masama magtanong, but I really accommodate all my passengers. Actually, galing pa nga ako ng Cubao eh. Basta matanda, hindi ko na matawag dito. Hindi ko sila maintindihan. Kaya, and so, my pleasure to service you, and I hope you do have a...
Dito na ba tayo?
Thank you din po.
Sa kabila pa.
Kabila pa.
Ayan. Oo, di ba? Ayan, namin ang paikot-ikot.
So A muna tayo sir. A.
What's A? What's that? A.
Yan ang uso kayo sir.
Gano'n?
Opo, gaganon nyo lang sir. Ganyan.
Gano'n. Hindi, gano'n pa rin ako.
A.
Ganito pa rin ako.
Yan ang trending ngayon sir.
L yan eh.
Nice one.
Very good. Sabay-sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3. Okay, paalam na kayo.
Bye po. See you on next vlog ni sir.
Okay, you watch this vlog, okay?
Okay, yes
Bye.
sir. Like po, like and subscribe.
The sisters, thank you so much, okay? Okay guys, another riding experience with my passengers. Here's your folks, your friends, Pinoy Transporter, signing off. Bye.